Should everybody be building this way, or is this only possible for the leading edge AI companies like Anthropic?
Yeah, that's a great question. I call this concept product shaping. This idea that we're taking our ideas, prototyping multiple solutions to multiple problems, testing them with customers, and then deciding what to go build in production. That's the concept of product shaping. I actually do think that to date, the only people who've been able to do it are, frankly, largely these incredible companies like Apple that ran in a huge lab. Prototypes, right? Johnny Ive was in the lab prototyping all sorts of things and then ultimately showing it to Steve Jobs and other folks and then deciding what to prioritize. The best story of that is actually the story of the iPhone. What happened was Johnny Ive had this incredible capacitive touch interface that he was playing with in the lab for a tablet. He ended up showing it to Steve Jobs, and Steve is like, look, this is really cool, but I think this would be better on an iPhone, on a phone, as opposed to a tablet. And ultimately, they canned the tablet project, they created a phone, and obviously the rest is history. Now, in the past, most companies couldn't do this. They couldn't justify building thousands of expensive prototypes that we're all just gonna throw out. But what is now possible with AI prototyping is that it's so cheap for us to go build these prototypes. It's incredibly easy for any of us to do that without thousands of dollars being spent on these wasted lab projects. And so I do think now we're gonna bring this product shaping company from just the best companies to a broader swath of companies can be doing this. And frankly, I believe most should be doing this.
You know that feeling when you try to prototype something with AI and it spits out something completely generic? Then you spend hours tweaking colors, fonts, copy, and features just to make it feel like your actual product? Here's the problem. Most AI app builders aren't built for product teams. They're built for those starting from scratch. But product teams aren't building from zero. You have an existing product, real customers, design guidelines, a backlog full of ideas you need to explore and validate fast. That's what Reforge Build does. AI prototyping that starts from your product. Add your customer feedback, strategy docs, and product features as context. Create reusable templates using your product design, explore multiple variants side by side, collaborate with your team in one place. Reforge Build generates prototypes that reflect your real pricing tiers, real features, real customer language, not generic placeholder. Stop fighting tools built for founders. Start prototyping like a product team. Reforge Build, AI prototyping built for product teams. Try it free at reforge.com/Akash. That's reforge.com/AAKASH. And use the code BUILD for 1 month free of premium. I hope you enjoyed that short clip. You can check out the full episode here.